Best everyday perfume for men under 1000 rupees. Let's talk about it. Welcome to yet another video of Fragrant Gem, guys, and today we're gonna talk about something that a lot of guys are buzzing on YouTube, in the ads, everywhere, wherever I'm seeing this perfume specifically. This is Wild Stone Hero. Now, I was really excited to try this one out because I really wanted to see how this one smells like. First of all, it was affordable. It was just under 1000 rupees, and that actually made me more curious. Plus, one of my subscribers asked me to review this perfume as well, so I had to get this one. Let's start with the presentation real quick. The box here is pretty simple. I mean, it's a normal cardboard box. You get all the information about the perfume here. Here you get the name of the perfume, and that's it. It does the job. Now, the bottle here, this is where it gets interesting. Let me show you the sprayer first. Yeah, so decent amount of spray, and it's a good one, good sprayer. It's a heavy bottle which gives it a nice premium feel. Plus you have this frosted glass, gold neck and cap. Nothing over the top, but then solid for the price. I really love this frosted glass look. I mean, any bottle that has this frosted glass look, I'm sold. Let's talk about the scent profile real quick, and this, in my opinion, is where Hero really shines because this is amazing. It's fresh, spicy, a little bit intense, and honestly a kind of scent profile that you can wear anytime and anywhere. I mean, if you're going to the office, you can wear this one. If you're going to meet a few friends, you can wear this one. During the daytime, during the night time, even on a date night, you can wear this one. Although I'll say you can wear something else from the Wild Stone series for the date night. But then if you don't have it, if you have this one, it's fine. I wore this at the gym a few days back while I was testing this one out. And, in humans, we have this thing called nose fatigue where we won't be able to smell our perfume after a few hours. But then even after an intense workout, people were still able to sniff this one on me. That means this is an amazing perfume for high heat and even when you're perspiring. Now, here's one thing I noticed. Because of some notes present in this perfume tends a little bit towards mature side. So this is not like an overly playful kind of scent profile or safe kind of scent profile. It is, you can say, in the middle. So it's good, but then a little bit on the mature side. That confident, masculine kind of scent profile. This is it. Talking about the notes, it has cardamom, patchouli, mandarin, rose, and cedarwood as its official notes. Spicy notes aren't officially listed here, but then trust me, when you sniff this, you're gonna get a lot of spices in this perfume. Now, one more good thing that I noticed, the scent profile of this one actually reminds me of Acqua di Gio Essenza, which is one of the most hyped perfume by the house of Acqua di Gio, and I think that one is now discontinued. Now, I'm not saying that this is entirely similar or this is a clone or something like that, but then the scent profile of this one is going to remind you of that one. In my opinion, Hero is a fresh, clean, earthy, mature kind of scent profile done in an extremely nice manner. Plus, the cost is amazing. The performance of this one is good 4 to 5 hours, which in my opinion, for a perfume that costs less than 500 rupees is amazing and more than enough, because this is gonna stay on you, on your clothes, and even on your skin. Plus, this is going to change. I mean, it's a kind of scent profile that is not linear. It is going to change. Initially, it is going to be something. After a few hours, it is going to be something else. And in the dry down, you're gonna get something entirely different. It's a stylish bottle, solid scent, and affordable. So it is best for gifting option as well. So yeah, if you're looking for an amazing everyday perfume that smells great, performs well, and costs less than your coffee for the week, Hero by Wild Stone is 100% worth checking out. Now, because of the price, scent profile, and how it performs in this current weather, this is one of the best summer fragrances for men. Great stuff. You need to give it a try.